How to obtain the motion path of a curve using 2 check bytes per side. This video is illustrated using CATIA, a general-purpose CAD system. The experimental articulator used here is lower in height than the standard size articulator. The height of the articulator is lowered because we want to scan with the dental model on the articulator. This articulator was created to capture the positional relationship between the maxilla and mandibular motion data in CAD. The displayed image is a visualization of the scanned data with the dental model attached to the articulator, reconstructed in CAD. A maxillary dentition model is being mounted on an experimental articulator. Upper and lower dental models were mounted on an experimental articulator. The scanner was used to acquire data on the experimental articulator and the dental models of the maxilla and mandible. The mesh data was loaded into CAD to reconstruct the solid model experimental articulator.